Crude oil prices have surged more than 5% overnight after a container ship ran aground in the Suez Canal. It's blocked one of the world's busiest shipping routes. Joining me now is business reporter Edward Boyd. And Ed, about 10% of global oil trade passes through the canal each year, so there might be a big fine on the way for this ship's owner.
I'm sure there will be a big fine on the way for the ship's owner. It's pretty amazing. This container ship ran aground on Tuesday local time in Egypt. It's about 400 metres long and 60 metres wide. The container ship is called Ever Given and it's owned by Evergreen Marine, and it ran off course during a dust storm. Apparently the gale force winds and the dust caused the ship pilot to not see where they were going, and it veered to the starboard, hitting the bank of the canal. So on average, nearly 50 vessels per day travel through the Suez Canal, which is almost 200 kilometres long. This container ship was travelling from China to Rotterdam in the Netherlands. And it ran aground Tuesday local time and is still stuck at the moment. Egyptian authorities have tried digging out the bow of the container ship from the sand there, and also using lots of tugboats to try and push it back into the main channel of the canal. But so far that hasn't worked. So in the meantime, Egypt has actually opened the canal's older channel to divert some smaller boat traffic through until the Ever Given starts floating again. But big container ships and large oil tankers are still stuck, and they just keep more and more each day now, or each hour, I guess, as this goes on. So it is a bit of a small crisis that Egypt need to deal with. The other way round from China is to go around the Cape of Good Hope from South Africa. So it's a much longer trip to get through to Mediterranean Sea and Europe. So what this means for oil prices is they have surged 5% overnight. So for our local stock market, it is expected to drop slightly this morning, but our energy sector and the oil companies in particular could do well just because the oil price has gone up.